Hi there angels, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video I am going to do something different and this is going to be a first ever makeup hack tutorial on my channel. I really do not do hacks on my channel. It has always been like hairstyles or makeup tutorials and nothing more than that. So I thought that why not do a hack video this time, and if you guys would enjoy it or love it, then I would actually do many more of it. So today's hack video is going to be on the latest hack that we guys are seeing on social media platforms, wherein we apply blush all over our face like for a good 50% of it, and then we apply makeup on it and see that whether this hack really works or not. So most of the people who are doing this particular hack are actually using a red lipstick. So if you guys want to do that, you can go ahead with it. But I really wanted to use my blush stick and I don't know why, but I wanted to use it. So that's completely your call. So without further ado, let's do this. I'm feeling like an artist. So I'm gonna cover my cheeks. This is great. And I'm going to take it over my nose. Oh wow, I like it. And then I'm going to take it over my cheeks again. Guys, I believe you should give it a try because it is really satisfying to apply loads of makeup onto your face. It's amazing. Can I apply it like up here? Can. By the way, this blender is amazing. I really love how easily it blends everything up. So I'm going to leave every detail about it down in the description box below. So if you guys want to check, then you can. And let's do this, guys. This is amazing. I'm going to play a nice song now. So I am done with blending the blush and I look weird. It feels like I've got rashes, but I think it's a bit lower or what? I think it's okay. And the blending thing. I think I should do this with a sponge, that would be better. So I'm going to do from the end where I've not done the blush. And yes, let's see. A little over and a little over here, because this is another technique. And I need to do the same thing on the other side as well. I just shifted my location, guys, and I hope you guys are able to see what I've actually done on my face. So I've applied the entire blush thing, I've also done the contour thing over here, and I've also done my concealer, and the next step is to use my foundation. So I would be using this. So this one is a Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and this is what I've been using for a good time now because it's affordable and it's also hydrating and suits my dry sensitive skin. So let's go ahead. So this is my face with foundation on, and I've not applied eyeshadow or lip color yet. I'm going to do that and I'm going to come back, but before that, a lot of that. Hi there guys, I am back and I've applied some liner, some lip color and some highlighter, which I forgot before, and now I am ready to give my view on this makeup hack. So I think this makeup hack is really useful, and if you're planning to do a nice flushed kind of look, then this is a great way to do it because my skin right now looks flushed in a very healthy way. You guys could not be able to see that on camera, but my face, my overall face has got a little pinkish, shade to it, but I feel that shade is nice and it's looking good, and it's looking good in a very healthy way. Also guys, if you'll be using same blender or if you'll be using same brush to do the entire face, obviously that pinkishness would actually come down onto your face and you will have to work around it by using a clean beauty blender or a sponge or a brush for the areas where you're not contouring, or using the blush That's my thing. Also, if you are going to apply a red lipstick, obviously the redness would be more prominent, or I would say जो redness होगी वो ज़्यादा दिखेगी when compared to using a blush of your own skin tone. So this blush actually suits my skin a lot, and that is why I think that pinkiness is really nice and it is looking great on my face. And had I used a red lipstick on this place, I think it would have looked really awkward and weird. So yeah, that's my view on this makeup hack, and I would actually give this makeup hack a pass. And that's it for today's video, guys. Also let me know whether you liked this kind of video or not. I'm gonna see you guys in another video very soon. Until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.